Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's, aka the Crazy Country Couponer, and her crazy friends. uh, Guys, it's going to be a super exciting week because we've got some really good stuff going on, and you want to know. So, on your way in, please like and share the video, invite your friends on over. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, you like and share the video as well. Guarantee you, it's not the wrong thing to do. Look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss any of our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here almost every day. And if you share it with your friends, they're going to love you for it because they're going to save just as much money as you. All right, everybody, happy Sunday and blessings. Got some sunshine where I'm at today. So like I said, blessings. But we're going to do a real quick recap of what's going on today, just to give you a heads up, because I got called into work. But this was such exciting news, I had to get on here and get you going with it. Now, let's have a look. First up, it's about to be wintertime. Let's talk about this Gold Bond lotion, because this is some really good lotion. We've got the therapeutic foot cream for $5.85 with a $2 off coupon, making that $3.85. This is an awesome deal. We've got a new Glitching Always coupon, and it's glitching attaching to the 325 liners, making them free, or giving you overage in the older operating system store. Okay, this is the biggest deal this week I want to tell you about. I did part of this deal yesterday to see if it would work, and it is working. So, let's talk about feeding that fur babies that Frisky stuff, because we got new Friskies coupons. We've got a Save 4 on a 12-pound bag. We've got Save 5 on 3 individual bags. And then we've got a Save 5 when you spend $25. Now, your $4 coupon is working on the 12-pound bags for $16.40. This also has an earn of $1.50. Make sure you clip it. There's also earns on the Friskies small bags for 75 cents. Make sure you clip those as well. Okay. Now, I'm not quite sure what's going on unless it's just in the system itself, but this 12-pound bag of Friskies is $14, regularly $16.40, unless it's because the coupon or the other deal kicks it back to $16.40. Not sure. We'll have to see when it comes to checkout. But if you do this at pickup, it's going to ring up for $16.40 instead of $14. But on that, you're going to get $4 off on that. Now, take a look, because all of these things are stacking together. The $4 off, the $5 off, the $5 off, the $1.50 earn on that one, and earns on 4 of these Frisky bags. If you do the 5 bags. Okay? So, depends on how you do this deal. Because what happens is, this will, on your earns, it's only going to read one of these offers, one of these coupons. Like this one right here, it's only going to use that one coupon for one Friskies bag. So, you should get back 2 of the 75-cent earns. I'm not quite sure if this one will work. the $1.50 one will work because your coupon is for one item, but we also have multiple coupons in this that are attaching to each other. So I'm not sure if you will get the $1.50 earn, but I do know you will get the 75-cent earns. Now when you go to the pickup and the checkout, we got 3 bags of the Friskies Dry, regularly $18.75, and ringing up in the end for $8.08, and it says deals available, and it's saying we're going to get the cash back on the smaller bags. Now, same goes for this one. The $16.40 bag is now $7.67, and it's saying that we should get our cash back on this one as well. Okay? Hopefully. So, right now we are at a $19.40 savings, and that's any day of the week. If you do this deal on on Saturday, you'll save an additional $5, which means you will get all of these items for $10.75. But any day of the week, you will be paying $15.75 out the door. Now, you will be getting $1.50 in earns back. So now you're at $14.25 for this, for sure. And if you get the other earn back, you'll be at $12 and change. So, this is an awesome deal if you got fur babies. And even if you do it any day of the week, it's an awesome deal. But if you do it on Saturday, well, it gets really super cheap. And I want you to look. It is like purchasing the 12-pound bag of Friskies and getting all your other Friskies absolutely free, guys. Now, this is your winner chicken dinner deal for this week. Your next glitching coupon is the Save $2 when you spend $10. It is attaching to the discounted Halloween candy. Look at this, guys. So if you've got any of this Halloween candy, this is attaching to the Halloween candy. Now, you do have one Mars Christmas Mix Minis for $3.75. Let's have a look. 3 for $10, guys. So you'll be getting 3 for $8. And that's Snickers, M&M's, or Mars. And looky here, guys. It's back. It is good to 11/11. The Bounty Puffs and Charmin deal. And we still have those coupons available for us. And I did this deal. Watch the last video. It turned out great. We've got American Greetings greeting cards, free ones. We got a earn 50 cent. On the dollar Thanksgiving cards, it looks like. Yep, the dollar cards is going to be earn 50 cent on the dollar cards, limit one-time purchase. And for our per sale lovers, we've got per sale coupons to go with our 5 off of 15 per sale Snuggle All coupon that we got again this week. Next, we got a $3 earn on Gold Bond Medicated Eczema Relief Protectant Cream. That cream's $6.95, so that's almost half price. And there's the coupon. Now, that's just some highlights, guys. We've got more. We've got $3 instant savings off of $16 on Scott. We got the new Spend 9, Save $2. It's an instant savings of 3 off of 15 on the Scott, guys. So, yes, we've got paper deals. We got laundry deals. And hopefully you did, the last 2 weeks we did in a lot of food items. Well, this couple of weeks we're probably going to be stocking up on our paper goods and our laundry goods. And they have all of our favorites. So stay tuned for more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. And if you haven't yet subscribed, do so right now. And if you've not yet left your comment or your emoji, please do so. It's really, really important. It only takes 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Thank you very much and love you bunches. And good things are going to happen to you for helping out all these people, including yourself. So blessings, and I'll see you again real soon.